Pilots arrive, suit up, and head to their jet. Engines roar to life. The mission is about to begin. While the pilots gear up, ground crews work around the clock to prepare the B-52. Every system is inspected, every bolt double-checked. Precision is key. The aircraft must be mission-ready before it leaves the ground. After fueling up, the crew moves into position. Ground crews finalize The B-52 pilots and crew step into the control room focused and ready. Every move from here counts. The mission is in motion. The ground crew steps back from the B-52, their tasks complete. As the engines roar, they watch from a distance. The giant takes flight. The cockpit hatch closes as the pilot locks in. Outside, ground crew signal the B-52 forward, guiding it toward the runway with steady precision. One by one, the aircraft are guided toward the runway. Engines growl, wheels roll. The mission is about to begin. One by one, the B-52 bombers accelerate down the runway, their engines roaring like thunder across the military airfield. The ground shakes slightly as each giant aircraft lifts its massive frame into the air, rising steadily toward the clouds. From below, the ground crew watches in silence, eyes fixed on the sky. Their part of the mission is done, but the weight of responsibility still lingers in the air. Every takeoff is more than just steel and fire. It's a symbol of precision, teamwork, and trust. As the last B-52 disappears into the distance, the runway falls quiet once more. The mission has begun, and now the sky belongs to them. As the B-52 bombers soar through the vast sky, the mission continues far beyond the reach of the runway. To keep their long-range flight on course, the aircraft rendezvous mid-air with a tanker, a KC-135 or similar refueling jet, high above the clouds. With absolute precision, the massive bomber aligns with the fuel boom. At cruising altitude, the two aircraft connect in perfect coordination. In those critical moments, timing and communication are everything. The operation is delicate, yet executed with practiced ease, a testament to years of training and discipline. The fuel flows, extending the B-52's range and ensuring it can stay airborne for the duration of the mission. On board, the crew monitors every gauge and signal. Below them, only sky and horizon stretch endlessly. Mid-air refueling is not just a logistical necessity. It's a symbol of capability. It means the mission can go anywhere, anytime, with no need to touch the ground. Before the engines roar and wheels leave the ground, everything begins in the briefing room. Gathered around a large table, pilots, commanders, and crew study maps, weather reports, and mission objectives. The room is filled with quiet focus. Every word matters. Every detail could define the mission's outcome. Satellite images, flight paths, and fuel plans are discussed with sharp precision. There's no room for doubt. Questions are answered. Final orders are given. Each crew member knows their role, their timing, and what's at stake. This is where the mission truly begins. Not in the skies, but in the minds of those who carry it out. As the B-52 bombers press deeper into their flight path, the landscape below begins to change, both on the map and in threat level. They are now approaching hostile territory, a zone marked by uncertainty and danger. Every crew member becomes more alert. The atmosphere inside the aircraft grows tense but focused. Moments later, a formation of fighter jets, fast, agile, and armed, appears in the distance. These are the escorts, sent to shield the slower, heavier B-52s as they fly into the contested airspace. The contrast is stark. Massive bombers flanked by sleek, high-speed Guardians cutting through the clouds. Communication between aircraft is tight and constant. Radar is monitored relentlessly. The jet fighters take position, one on each side, scanning the skies for any potential threat. Their presence isn't just about protection. It's about power, deterrence, and maintaining the balance in the air. For the B-52 crews, the fighters' arrival brings reassurance. Though heavily armed, the B-52s are not built for dogfights. They rely on coordination and defense to complete the mission. Together, the formation moves as one force, heavy bombers with pinpoint firepower and swift defenders, ready to respond to any threat in seconds. This is the moment where strategy meets reality. Deep inside enemy radar range, carrying out a mission that depends on precision, timing, and unity in the sky.